DW6025F single-platform laser cutting machine. High-power laser can be configured. The laser can be selected from a power range of 6 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts. Heavy-duty bed, high-power configuration, also for stable operation. It can cut the plate quickly and with high precision. DW6025F, a new split bed mounting design. The installation structure is simple and stable. Novices can also be quickly disassembled without affecting the accuracy of the bed. Only one 20-foot container can be exported to any country in the world. Save transportation space and transportation costs. DW6025F, using independent distribution cabinet design, built-in air conditioning, it can also guarantee stable operation for countries with hot and cold climates. Laser cutting sheet metal fast and accurate, no consumables. Simple and safe operation. Smooth section without secondary processing, greatly improve production efficiency.